Hello, welcome back to Let's Play CrossCode, and I hope that's a 12. I'm gonna think that's a 12. We're gonna eat some pistachios here. Maybe some fruit drink, and let's see. Some kebab roll. And then we're gonna have a bunch of kitties try to sorry, kitty. I wonder what Mark does. I wonder if it's anything like Hunter's Mark. Oops. Okay, cool. Oh dear. That was a high amount of damage. I think, speaking of high amount of damage, I have to admit, they are cute. Ooh, so much health return. Thank you, Wave. Oh no, I have to do it all again. Too many kitties. Oh no. Oh no, I forgot to do a thing. Oh no. The kitties are coming. And they don't want me to eat food. Boy, you guys are fast. That was a waste of a special. You know, maybe I should not be in melee with the shock aura kitties. Yeah, no, no. Nope, nope. Oh, you're dragging me to you. Static cling. Kitty attractiveness. Oh, all that healing lost. Okay. Okay, okay, there's just the one of you. Let's get some health back. Dee-dee. Ow. Ooh, they're hissing up a storm. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Health back, health back. Ah. Ta-da! Wow, I have a lot of credits. Or do I? Oh no. Right. Okay. Oops. There we go. I want to check to see what this does. It redirects it. Okay. How do we change that? Oh, we don't. We're going to have to move this. Okay. Okay, I am not... Okay. Okay, let me try out... No, not there. Okay, so on that angle. Too slow. Okay. I have mostly just completely blanked on these puzzles. It just sort of... Ooh, that was silly. That went completely the wrong way. Oh. Yeah, I do have the right place, but... Okay. I missed! Okay. Awesome. That is annoying. Okay. 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 Too slow. Wrong way. Okay. Here we go. You know what? Fine. Nice. Okay. Less nice. Okay. Okay. So, here we go. Nope, wrong way. Okay. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. That was less cool. That was completely stupid. Okay. Oh, you know what else I did? I forgot to do that. Okay. Okay, one more round. What? No! Too soon. Oh. I'm just not thinking right now. What? Till you come around the corner. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. Oh, shoot. It's a longer thing. That's what I'm misjudging. Okay. 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 I missed. Cool, cool. So, she'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when... Poof. Okay, not quite. That was a little bit too early, I'm guessing. Okay. Okay. Okay, about here. That was not a good idea. Okay. Come on, Emily, I want you to beat him, please. I don't want to be the one responsible for beating Apollo at dungeon racing. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much, I tell you. Okay, let's see. Oh, you. Okay, I did it too early again. I need to There we go. I need... Nope, too early. Okay. Timing is very particular, and I'm not very good at it. Okay, I need to let my... This is one I don't think the assistance thing will help with. Okay. Oh. Got it. Okay. Took me too long. Way too long. Okay. Oh no. Oh, birds. Before more come. Hello. That may have been a bad idea. I'm out of high sandwiches. There we go. Need only 5 more left. Oh. Not good. Not good. Ow, ow. Okay, I got some health back from that. The cats were more dangerous. But cats are always more dangerous. Ooh. Optional. Chef sandwiches! Huzzah. Accidental death. Also huzzah. No. Not huzzah. Okay, so there's that way down there. There's that way up there. Let's go down here first. Oh, hello. Huzzah. Cool. Okay. So now I guess we go up. Or not. That's right, that does just look like the border. Okay. Oh, nope. Other way. And slowly fall into oblivion and reform. And here we go. Well... oh my goodness. This is a massive Rube Goldbergian timing puzzle, like, you know, a lot of these are. Okay. I will be doing this in another video. Oh my goodness. Okay then. I mean I've run across worse puzzles. I definitely have, I think. Who knows? Looks like we got a lot of wave charges and lightning charges here. Yeah, this will be interesting. Talk to y'all later. Bye.